Tired of your camp kitchen looking like a wombat's been through it? Stop digging through a bottomless tub just to find the salt. The Clearview Pantry turns chaos into order. With its clever slide-out design and organised compartments, everything you need for a camp feast is right at your fingertips. It's like having a proper kitchen, but with better views and more campfire. With 74 litres of storage, there's room for food, utensils and cooking essentials. At only 22 kilos, it's lightweight, durable and built from powder-coated aluminium. Need more space? You'll love the marine-graded stainless steel pull-out worktops. Plus, it comes with a 9-litre collapsible sink, making roadside snacks or campsite feasts simple and stress-free. The pantry arrives fully assembled, ready to install into your Clearview Easy Slide ES-100 Plus or Expanda Slide. Spend less time searching and more time cooking with the Clearview Pantry.